Our next question is from GATE 2018 Mechanical Operations for 2 marks. In a roll crusher, rolls of diameter 1 meter each are set in such a manner that minimum clearance between the crushing surface is 15 mm. If the angle of nip is 31 degree, the maximum diameter of the particle which can be crushed is. Let's start with the solution. First, see the roll crusher. Roll crusher is given as this. There is 2 rolls and there is a particle diameter. This is the particle, right? So we can consider its roll diameter is capital D and small d denotes the diameter of particle. So you can see here it will make a alpha, that is the angle of nip. This is the angle of nip, and clearance between what is the clearance? Clearance between these is L, right? I am assuming it L. So what we will do, since you can see here, if we bisect this, then it will be alpha by 2. This will be alpha by 2, and this line will be at 90 degree. It will be 90 degree. So if you know that for this triangle, the sum of the angles will be equals to 180 degrees and 180 degree, right? So it will be alpha by 2, it will be 90. So alpha by 2 plus 90. And so it will be 180 minus 90 minus alpha by 2. From this we get this value is at 90 minus alpha by 2, right? And now we will come in this triangle. In this triangle you can see here this is also a 90 degree. So it will be 180 minus 90, 180 minus it, for this angle will be 180 minus 90 plus alpha by 2. From this you will get alpha by 2. So this angle is alpha by 2. Now we will just use simple geometry. Cos alpha by 2 will be equals to, it will be base. What is the base? You can see here capital D by 2, right? Its diameter is D. So it will be D by 2. And I have already told you that there is a clearance between these two is L. So this length, only this length will be L by 2. So D by 2 plus L by 2. This is the D by 2 plus L by 2 divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be capital D by 2 plus small d by 2, right? From this we can see here D plus L upon D plus D, right? So we will put all values. We just need to calculate small d. They have given the diameter is 1 meter. So we will convert in 1000 mm for our convenience. It will be 31 by 2 and plus 15 is clearance. They have given 15 mm clearance. You can see here they have given 15 mm clearance. So we will use this. From this we get D is equal to 53.34 mm. Remember one thing, to calculate this, please note it down that whenever you calculate this value, your calculator should be in degree, right? 31 by 2, 15.5 in degree, right? If your calculator in radian, that this value will be different and your answer will be wrong. So please use the calculator properly of scientific calculator for GATE, right? So from this you get D is equal to 53.34 mm. This is the final answer. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.